What's going on, guys? Taking a look at MSDI. This one ran up huge on Monday, ended up going long at the end of day. I talked about this one on a couple different social media things. I posted a video to learn more about day trading in general. You want to learn about swing trading or small account day trading, whatever it is you're looking to learn about, subscribe to the channel, posting videos every single day for you guys to check out. Let's get into the action. What was going on with MSDI, kind of the game plan, where to watch at, where to look for resistance and look for the move higher. It played out exactly like planned, taking profit at that 185 resistance like I talked about in the video. It got all the way up to 235 at open. It was a pretty wild one. MSDI, I got in there at the end of day at the 121 area, ended up taking profit there at 185 with small size. I talked about it in this video, terrible face there, but talked about in that video how I take small size, 500,000 shares. I can buy a stock like MSDI. I can hold it overnight, get a 100% move, make $500,000 easily overnight on some of these moves. You know, if it gaps down, maybe I lose 10, 20 cents, maybe a little less. At 120, I felt pretty good. 49 there at the end of day. And then this morning, it gapped up huge to $1.93. Couldn't sell it too early there. And then it pulled back, kind of held that $1.54 area, and then ran up there to 235. I ended up taking profit there at the 185 area because it looked like it had a lot of sellers stacking up. I'm already up 60 cents here. I might as well take profit. No big deal. And you can see there, MSDI ran up to 235. So huge move there. It broke through all the resistance, just like I talked about in the video. We talked about how I was going to get to that $2 area. Keep an eye on that. Keep an eye on the $1.85 area. And then that 235 area being kind of next resistance there on MSDI. This stock had some big news on Monday. It ran up big, and you can see the possibilities here. The possibility is amazing on these kind of overnight gappers. If you can get in at the right price, you can hold it overnight. Wake up the next morning, it gaps up, another 50, 100% there. MSDI, perfect example of that happening. I took profit early. That should be my nickname, take profit early. If I was an Indian, profit take early, that would be something like that. But that, you can see it pulled back down there to the $1.50 area after I took profits. I was like, okay, I'm feeling pretty good about it. But then there at open, it swung all the way up here to $2.35. So big move there on MSDI. Hopefully you saw the video. I talked about this one. I told you guys to keep an eye on it Wednesday morning. Keep an eye on MSDI. I talked about it on the channel. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on some of these videos. Always trying to help you guys out. I'm talking about it. Also kind of make a plan and game plan, talk about this on social media, stuff like that. But look how much money I made. It's more about the idea that I executed the plan. I looked at MSDI. MSDI had news. MSDI had a low float. MSDI ran up strong into close, and then after hours closed even stronger. So that was the three criteria I look for when looking for these overnight movers. I need a catalyst, I need a low float, I need something going on, I need some kind of news, and then I want to see a strong close. And you can see MSDI closed strong on Monday, all the way there at close, and then after hours as well, closing strong. So nice move there on MSDI, running up there to 235 this morning. Hopefully you guys got in on this, made some profit. I know a couple people posted on social media and stuff like that, talking about how they got in on this off of the alerts or whatever I posted and made some money. So I'm happy if you did that, if you made some money, seeing what I'm doing, how I'm making money, profiting overnight. For people who don't have a large account, people who don't have a ton of money, buying something like this, holding it overnight, making $500 on 1,000 shares is a great profit. I mean, if you would have bought this at $1.35, and you bought 1,000 shares there, you bought $1,000 worth, you sold it there above $2, there 235 area, you made $1,000 overnight in a small account, 100% profit for the guy who has a small account. So awesome move. Leave a comment below if you traded MSDI, if you were watching this one for an overnight hold, what you thought, and one of the reasons that you bought it or why you sold it or whatever happened. It's cool to see what people think and what the other mindsets of traders are. Make sure you leave a comment, like the video, subscribe. Lots of new videos coming out. I'm going to link the videos at the end talking about how I found this stock, and then also talking about kind of the game plan before on Monday. You can check those videos out.